my channel. Today I will be doing a haul. Yes, yet another haul. I have some stuff in here that I forgot to feature on my previous haul, and then I was going through my closet and I was like, dang, I have a lot of stuff that I haven't shown in a haul yet. These were not purchased like months ago though, so mga recent purchase sila. It's just that I forgot to feature them on my previous haul, so I'm gonna do another one. And there's a lot in here, you guys. Clothes, ukay-ukay, and then I got a package from Philippines as well. It's not really huge, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna start with the stuff that I got from Eric Dress first. So I got 4 items from Eric Dress, yep, and the other one fell. Okay. The first thing I got is this long sleeve shirt right here. As you guys know, I love this color. So it looks like that. It kind of opens up at the bottom like so. So meron siyang flare na ganap na ganon. It is baggy on me, but it's fine. It's kind of like a thick, stretchy material. Not so stretchy though, but like, yeah, it has that kind of stretchy thing ganap na ganon. And then the second one, this one I was expecting to be thick, pero hindi siya ganon ka-thick. It's definitely on the thin side. It looks like this. It's gray, and then it has that detail at the back right there. And also I didn't know that it has this kind of like what do you call that, like squinch, no, that's not the right term, but yeah, just a plain gray black shirt. And the next one, I've worn this on video already. I really like this jumper. It's a thick jumper again, and then I like the details at the bottom. So meron siyang dalawang zippers. I already washed it and it still looks the same. It didn't shrink kasi hindi din siya lumaki. And then the last one is kind of like a coat. I'm not really sure if this belongs to the coat category or cardigan lang. It has that like coat material though, so it looks like this. It's gonna be really hard showing you guys this, but I'm gonna try it on so you guys can see. I'm pretty sure I ordered a small and then I got one in medium, which is kind of a bummer, pero hindi naman siya as in sobrang tsaka tingnan. It's actually a nice fit naman. So yeah, that's that. I will leave Eric Dress links below. The links of those clothing will be below, so if you guys are interested, go check it out. And then I got some items from Savers. So yung ukay-ukay nila dito, yung Savers. I went there, I do not know when. It's been a while actually. Siguro mga 2 weeks ago. Pero I got 3 items. The first one I got is this cardigan right here. So it's in this color, and then it's just a knitted cardigan. I like that it's not very long, pero it's long enough to cover my bum. So it's perfect, and it goes with everything because the color is like that. So I like that. And then the next one is this black long sleeve shirt right here. It's very thin, as you guys can see. So it's really long like that. It's originally from Supre, and it's the size XXS. It's just a regular black. Yeah. The last one from ukay-ukay. This one I've worn on video already as well. It looks like this. It is that fuzzy sweater, fuzzy, hairy. I don't really know, but yeah, ganon. I already have washed this as well, and okay naman, hindi naman natatanggal yung mga hair niya, so that's nice. This is actually the top that I wore on our video, yung video namin ni Dan when he did my makeup. And all these, I mean not all, pero each is I think $4.99. And then I have 2 more pieces of clothing in here. This is from the Ang Paradise. So we went to Chinatown one night, and then we walked past this right here, and they were having some items that were only $5. So obviously I went to the $5 section and looked around. So I got 2 items from there. I first picked up this one right here. So it's kind of like that ribbed design, and it's in that color. It has this kind of like band right here that says jeans like so. I like the color. I also really like the design. It's just very simple, and it was only $5, so why not? And then the last item, actually Danny picked this one up. He really liked this one on me. I have no idea why. I don't really wear dresses like this because I don't know, I just don't feel like it. But it was only $5, and I was like, you know what, maybe one day, one night I will need it. So we just got it. So it's basically a really tight fitting dress. It looks like that, really freaking sexy as well. Like kitang-kita lahat ng aking laman-laman ganon. So you can see like some skin in here. Oh my gosh. And I don't even know if I'm gonna try this on camera, you guys. But it fits me really nicely. And I was really surprised because I'm really small. I'm really petite. And to find a dress that is fitted, that actually like fits me. So I was like, yeah, sure, let's get it. $5, why not? And yeah, that's that right there. And then the package from Philippines, I got one thing from Magic Potions. They sent me this Love Me Ultimate Facial Cream. This is a night cream. And the packaging is really interesting. Na-open ko na siya, pero I haven't really used it yet. So it looks like that. Very social looking. You open it up like so. And it is one of those packaging that you press on here and then the cream will come out right there like that. How cool is that though? Like, that's just so cool. And look at the color. Look at the color of that cream. It's that pinkish cream. And kind of lavender actually. More on lavender than pink actually. Or maybe I'm just colorblind. It smells... I do not know how to explain that. It's not bad though. It's just that I suck at describing scents. It is supposed to lighten the skin, smoothens the skin, helps fight wrinkles, helps remove dark spots. Ooh. I have a lot of dark spots. Under my concealer right here, I have a lot. And then it helps fight aging. And it's supposed to provide visibly glowing skin and helps control acne. Looks like this is what I need in my life. So we'll see, we'll see. I just wasted this much cream. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna put that on my neck. One sec. Ooh, that actually feels nice. Yeah, I'm still not sure if I like it or I don't like the smell. It's just weird. Pero that feels nice on the skin, ha? As I always say, meron siyang cooling effect. Pero yeah, meron siyang ganon. On my previous haul, someone said, where's the shoes that you got when you went shopping with Kathy? And I was like, oh yeah, I forgot about that. So I'm gonna show you guys the shoes that I got when I went shopping with Kathy. So the shoes looks like this. It's just boots with heels. I know I always say hindi ako nagsusuot ng heels, pero sa boots actually okay lang siya kasi diba very closed siya and you can't really feel it that much. So I was okay. I wore it sa engagement party ng pinsan ni Dan and nakatayo lang ako the whole time and we were there for I think 3 to 4 hours. Hindi naman as in sumakit yung paa ko because naka-wear ako ng heels. Though, yung hips ko sumakit, pero hindi ko alam kung dahil yun sa heels. Kasi parang ang layo naman nasa hips yung sakit. Pero, yeah. Pero, I wore it and it was fine. It was very comfy. The brand is from London Rebel. I got it from Shoe Shed, by the way. Right there. And that's everything for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Alam ko meron sa inyo ayaw ng haul, but marami din naman sa inyo yung gusto ng haul. I personally like watching hauls and I love doing it as well. So why not, right? But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. It's the red button down below. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to be good. Bye!